If you've ever had your car repaired, you have to watch this video. So I just had a vehicle dropped off for repair, and I noticed that it had some really bad prior repair, and the customer brought it to my attention, and I want to show you all the things that you should look out for. This was done by a local body shop, and I want to show you what exactly they did. All right, so here we have the CX5 that was apparently repaired. This door right here was supposed to have the front panel replaced, which means the skin. And then this whole door right here, this whole door was supposed to be replaced. Now, let me show you what they actually did. So what they actually did was they repaired this door. I'm not sure if you could see all the sand marks. It's a very, very poor repair. You could see waves in the bodywork. This door right here, you can see that they try to repair it. You see that? That doesn't line up properly. And it doesn't line up over here. The other thing I noticed was inside the door panel over here, you can see they still left all the compound from the excessive buffing. They had to buff the vehicle because maybe they don't have a great paint booth. They never removed the door handle. You can see all the overspray over here. You could also see the overspray right here on the fender. It's actually kind of hard to see right now, but they also painted the quarter panel, and instead of painting the whole quarter, they cut the clear off right here. What's going to happen is this clear coat is going to start coming off. I'm sure you've seen the cars on the street where the clear coat was chipping off. And the bumper was also painted. Now this has extreme orange peel. You can see that. That's not supposed to look like that. And instead of painting the whole bumper and clear coating the whole bumper, they cut off the clear coat right there. You can see the line right there. So these are just a couple small things. Look, the bumper light is coming off. So here's a picture of the door before it was repaired. So the structural integrity of the door has been completely compromised, which puts the passengers who sit behind this door in a very unsafe position if the door was to ever get hit again. So please be safe out there. If you have any questions, please send us a DM. Thanks for watching Ace Paint and Body Works.